Oh
wait,
no.
That's fake.
Yeah,
Oh god.
Okay,
There's 2 bees and beehive.
where is he?
Beehive is the one teleporting in random trees and forests.
It's him.
Where?
I saw him. Follow the bee babes. And double walls. He's by double walls.
What's Salah also?
Where is he?
Also, Twitch in the cool dude.
I don't know. Beehives. Teleport a tree if you're real. Beehives. Oh, beehive. If you're real, go to the tree house. I mean, go to the tree and let me touch
Ik
you.
ben hier. Ik heb short match.
There's gotta be beehive somewhere.
Oh, I touch him.
Wait,
I have to touch him.
let's see if I can touch him.
Wait, I touch him. He's right there.
He's teleporting, bro. Huh.
I got him.
I got it. Got it. I got it.
What?
Ja, maar doe gewoon heel veel option 1 en enter. Option
What
1 en
happened
enter.
to him?
Ja, wat zit nu? Het zit nu.
I swear, if bees is gonna spawn. Oh wait, there's not 1 bees in the server.
Ja, je bent gewoon. Ik ben gejoined.
Wait,
We zijn er voor je.
he just moved.
Bro,
He just moved. I saw him move when. Wait a second. And of the other bees
Oh,
joined
wait, that's-
again.
No, that's fake. He's walking.
Oh, he's walking.
He has.
The beehive looks
fake.
weird. That looks strange, but the bees ghost is fake. He's 100%
No,
fake.
beehive is real.
Only the real bees does
is
this, and then
real.
he just moves around in position, and he just moves randomly.
What if I become beast and? Okay, what if we can try? What if I become beast and then I will fly around and make them?
Please get me camera mod.
I saw you, you not beast.
Bees is daarachter.
If only the real bees can randomly spawn.
Beast either.
I swear, if bees hive was
Wacht,
real,
hoor je me nu nog in game?
if bees hive was real, it would have like actually spammed a lot of like
Wait, do you know
random
that
bees
can
in
live
the server.
inside a beehive? Oh, what if I can lick the his beehive? Why do
Yeah,
you
I've got to
say
be there
beehive?
somewhere. He's teleporting in random spots, in forests,
Okay,
random trees,
Okay, I will.
random spots, random etc.
Bees, if you're real, come to the treehouse. Wait, what is that?
Wait, what?
Wait, no. Bro, come to leaderboard. No one's making a noise. Look.
Oh, I see it! I see it! He's in treehouse.
It's beehive. Guys,
Look,
we had to run.
and he teleport. Oh, huh.
Wait, what
Got him.
happened? You
I
touched
got him. Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
Beehive. You need a
Got him right there.
Let me suck. Yo, honey.
Let me get yo honey from that
honey.
hive.
I mean, let me, give
Beehive
I wanna
acts
drink your honey.
really like a beehive, bro.
Why am I yellow? I wasn't yellow before. I was black.